In the last lesson, we successfully performed calculations using arithmetic operators like addition and division. But every time we calculated a result, we used this symbol to store it, the equals sign. You might think the equals sign means equals like in math, but in C programming, the single equals sign has a totally different meaning and function. It's an operator itself. Welcome to Lesson 2.05. Today, we are mastering the assignment operators. The single equals sign is the fundamental assignment operator, but C gives us a whole family of operators that make your code cleaner, shorter, and faster to write. We will cover equals, simple assignment, compound assignment operators, plus equals, minus equals, times equals, over equals, mod equal. Mastering these shortcuts is a sign of clean, professional C code. First, the simple assignment operator. The single equals sign is the most fundamental operator you use every day. But remember, it does not mean is equal to. The assignment operator means take the value on the right-hand side and store it into the variable on the left-hand side. In this statement, the value 100 is assigned to the variable named score. The rule is strict. The right side is calculated first, and the result is then stored in the single variable on the left side. You can only assign a value to one variable at a time using equal sign. Second, the need for compound assignment. Imagine you have a score and a player earns 10 bonus points. How would you write that using the arithmetic operators from the previous lesson? This code is perfectly correct, but it's redundant. You are typing the variable name, score, twice. Since this pattern is so common, adding to itself, subtracting from itself, C provides shortcuts called compound assignment operators. Third, compound assignment operators. Compound assignment operators combine an arithmetic operator with the assignment operator. They allow you to perform an operation and assign the result back to the original variable, all in one quick step. Let's look at the basic examples. Add 10 to score, then store the new result in score. Subtract 5 from health, then store the new result in health. Multiply price by 2, then store the new result in price. Divide x by 3, then store the new result in x. Calculate the remainder of count divided by 2, then store the remainder in count. Using the compound forms like plus equals and minus equals is faster to type and generally considered better practice because it makes the code's intent instantly clear. I am modifying this variable by adding to it. You now know how to calculate arithmetic operators and how to store those calculations, assignment operators. But what about making decisions? Right now, your code just runs from top to bottom. It cannot ask questions like, is the score greater than 100? Or, is the user logged in? To introduce logic and decision-making, we need operators that compare values. Click on the next video to watch Lesson 2.06. Operators. Comparison, relational, operators, where we will learn how to ask questions and get a simple true or false answer.